friends, I am Sulasna and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today I will talk about the education system differences between India and Germany. Education systems vary across the world, while some have technology based and others are theory based. Today I will talk about the first different steps of education system both of this country. Second, syllabus. Third, education approach. Fourth, research initiative. Fifth, cost effectiveness. There are so many different steps in education. Children aged 3 to 6 may attend kindergarten. After that, school is compulsory for 9 to 10 years. From grades 1 through 4, children attend elementary school, that is Grundschule, where the subjects taught are the same for all. Then after the 4th grade, they are separated according to their academic ability and the wishes to their families and attend one of the 3 different kinds of schools: Hauptschule, Realschule or Gymnasium. The Gymnasium leads to a diploma called the Abitur and prepares students for university study or for a dual academic and vocational credential. Syllabus differ from school to school but generally include German, mathematics, computer science, physics, chemistry, biology, geography, art, music, history, philosophy. Gesamtschule or comprehensive schools is only found in some of the states, and these schools are combines the element of Hauptschule, Realschule and Gymnasium. Hauptschule grade 5 to 9 teaches all the same subjects as Realschule and Gymnasium with some vocational oriented courses. Realschule grade 5 to 10 leads part-time vocational schools as well as higher vocational schools. It is now possible for students with high academic achievements at Realschule to switch to Gymnasium on graduation. 3 types of higher education institutes are present in Germany, which are Technische Hochschule or Technical Higher Education Schools, Fachhochschulen, that is University of Applied Science, Kunsthochschulen, that is College of Art and Music. In India, kids aged between 3 to 5 go to kindergarten or pre-primary. Then primary school aged between 6 to 10, class 1 to 5 or 4. Then high school class 6 to 10 and then higher school class 11, 12. Then in some few cases students have to give exam, depends on in which direction they want to go, normal bachelor degree or doctor or engineering degree. After bachelor degree students to master, research MBCS students to PhD, which is highest degree. In case of Indian educational system, the syllabus is updated after a long period of time. However, this is slowly changing. In few cases, the curriculum is regularly updated. In German educational system, the curriculum is updated every few years to keep up with the current trends and inventions. The Indian education system follows the traditional theoretical method in education. The German education system follows the German practical approach to education. For example, to motivate the school students in Germany, students have the opportunity to visit research lab during summer vacations. Due to limited research funds, research initiatives in Indian education are restricted. Research in German universities is funded by leading organizations such as Microsoft, Google, leading to a plethora of research initiatives. Higher education in Germany is mainly funded by the state and as such it is literally free of charge for domestic and international students alike. Unlike Germany, not all education institutes are government aided. In government institutes, student has to pay tuition fees. However, these tuition fees are much higher in case of private or non-government universities. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Then like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please let me know which difference you have liked the most. And see you next time. Bye.